If you've lost access to your Jitterbit account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Jitterbit login page. Go to the official Jitterbit login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Need Help Logging In to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Jitterbit account. This is the email you used when you created your account. Make sure to double check for any typos before proceeding. Step 3. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the reset link. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password for your account. Ensure your new password is strong and secure. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Return to the Jitterbit login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account again. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Jitterbit's customer support for further assistance.